Working with Star West, I was in charge of going to, well, first of all, calling the customer up and making an appointment to come and install. A lot of times install, sometimes troubleshoot dish networks, satellite systems. So I would drive to the customer's house and meet up with the customer, and usually I was doing installs, which meant I had to locate a area for the dish that the customer would be satisfied with, whether it be on the roof or on a pole somewhere. Then I would basically start to work and drill holes and other things that needed to be done to run cable into the house. And sometimes that required crawling underneath smaller crawl spaces like under mobile homes and so forth, and then attaching that to equipment that it was either new or was existing equipment, and had to bring up the standards because we had quality control that would come out on occasion and check our work. But we would train the customer in how to run their operation of the remote, and then of course all their programming and so forth, and go over their billing and stuff like that with them. And then we would clean up and go on to the next job. Sometimes there would be 2 to 3 jobs depending on how much um, work was required. So that was working with Star West in 2011.